Distributions in data science refer to the spread or arrangement of values within a dataset. Understanding distributions is not important in data analysis as it doesn't provide any valuable insights. Various distribution types in data analysis include only normal and binomial distributions. Statistical problem solving using distributions is limited to theoretical applications and doesn't have real-world relevance. Engaging in statistical problem solving for real-world applications involves applying distribution concepts to solve practical problems. The role of distributions in data science is solely to describe the shape of data and does not assist in making predictions. Understanding distribution types is crucial for selecting appropriate statistical models for analysis. Normal distribution is the only distribution type encountered in real-world datasets. Statistical problem solving in data science often involves analyzing the probability density function of different distributions. Distributions play a significant role in hypothesis testing and decision-making processes.